Hello friend, welcome to this lesson. We will discuss the history of military rule in Ghana. Ghana is a country with the second largest population in West Africa after Nigeria. It is bordered by the Gulf of Guinea and the Atlantic Ocean to the south, Ivory Coast to the west, Burkina Faso to the north, and Togo to the east. After years of colonial rule, Ghana gained her independence on the 6th of March 1957. After independence, Ghana was governed by Dr. Kwame Nkrumah of the Convention People's Party. However, during his tenure as the leader of Ghana, there were allegations of corruption and abuse of power. This led to a military coup that took place in 1966. This coup was led by military leaders such as Colonel E.K. Kotoka and Major A.A. Afrifa, amongst others. This military coup brought J.A. Ankara into power, and that's how J.A. Ankara became the first military head of state in Ghana. The regime of J.A. Ankara, however, resolved from the beginning of the regime to hand over power to civilians. This happened in 1969 when Dr. Abrefa Buzia of the Progressive Party was elected Prime Minister of Ghana. However, his government was brought to an end by Colonel I.K. Echempong in 1972. Now, Colonel Echempong's regime lasted for only 6 years. His regime ended in 1978 when he was overthrown by General Akufo. General Akufo's regime, which began on the 5th of July 1978, only lasted for 11 months when he was toppled by Flight Lieutenant Jerry Rawlings on the 4th of June 1979. Now, Jerry Rawlings will hand over power to a civilian government 3 months after June 1979's coup. The civilian government, however, only lasted for 2 years when Jerry Rawlings took over power again through another coup in 1981. The second regime of Jerry Rawlings is the longest regime in Ghana and one of the longest in Africa, as it lasted for 11 years and 7 days. His regime ended in 1993, but that was not the end of his stay in government, as he was elected as a democratic president in 1992 and resumed office as an elected leader in 1993. Jerry Rawlings was the last and longest serving military leader in Ghana. Ghana had about 20 years of military rule. Now that we have come to the end of this lesson, let us go over some few points from the lesson. The first military coup in Ghana took place in 1966. Jerry Rawlings was the last and longest serving head of state in Ghana. I hope to see you in another lesson as we continue our journey on military regimes across Africa. Bye!